But I did want to do this unboxing because I know BoxyCharm is late this month, and I think everyone wanted to see like the Boxyluxe, and it came out late this month, which was really disappointing for me, but I mean, it's here. I usually get my box by like the 11th of every month, and I just got my box today, and it's the 19th. So, you know, it is what it is. But let's get into the box itself. So, opening the box up, you have the card, La Vie en Rose, I believe is what it is. It's French. I don't know what it means, but you get it. So, this box, you get a Cover FX palette, some brushes, iconic eyebrow cushion, the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask, Becca's Ultimate Lipstick Love, It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Moisturizer, Morphe 15 Shade Palette, Lily Lashes. This box came with Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil and a BoxyCharm train case. Now, honestly, when I saw that this box came with the Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil, I was upset because I was thinking that all the boxes that I've seen have come with the what do you call it? Oh my god. The Deborah Lipman nail polish, and I really wanted the nail polish. So when I saw that I got that cuticle oil, which I don't use because I didn't use the cuticle oil from the last BoxyCharm, I was just like, here we go. And you know, like, I don't want to complain too bad because the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream moisturizer, I do use this, and it's close to $50. So this basically pretty much pays for the box itself. So I am happy that I got this because I am out. Just recently ran out, and so I've been using another moisturizer that I had, but I'm glad to have another one of these. Alright, so we're going to, well, maybe I can get it out. So this is the makeup train case. It's nice iridescent rose. So this is the size of the train case. So it's a nice little size to put your makeup goodies in, and then it's nice that it has the strap on top. Okay, so that is that. This is the Becca. Let's see if I can get it. Ultimate Lipstick Love. And this is in the shade Bear. So on my beauty quiz for lipsticks, I actually have it set to surprise me. But it never fails that I end up getting either a new shade or a dark shade. But this is a very pretty lipstick. Very pretty nude color. So I look forward to trying it out, seeing what the formula is. The packaging of that lipstick is nice. It's magnetic. The top is, so that's real nice as well. Alright, so here is the infamous cuticle oil. Maybe I'll just focus in a second. There we go. Vitamin E infused cuticle oil. Yeah, I don't use cuticle oil, like I said. I mean, I know I probably should, but it's just not something that I use. I just let them put it on my nails when I go to the nail shop. Alright, so moving on. Next up is the Cover FX face palette. And my face palette comes in medium deep, which is, I guess for my beauty quiz is probably correct. I think I probably could have went with either color. but this is the medium dark. The contour, as you can see, is very dark. That's a very, very dark shade. The finishing powder, I don't really think I would use. If I did, maybe as a eyeshadow maybe. Then the blush, a little darker than what I usually use. And the highlighters, those look pretty nice. So that is the Cover FX palette. Next up is the Wonder Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. You've seen several people use that already. Then we have the Lily Lashes, which is interesting because I just feel like this packaging is like a lot cheaper than her typical Lily Lashes packaging. Even though it does says limited edition lashes foam ink, I just feel like this packaging looks a little cheaper. Okay, next up is the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. My color that they sent was medium, and I'm not sure. I mean, I'll have to look up. Here is the color medium. The light is kind of making it look more grayish, but it's actually like really, really brown. So yeah, it looks really grayish, but the color is very brown. The light color, I'm not sure if that'll work. The dark color may work, probably. But the light color is what I'm not sure about. So we will try that out, and we'll see how those two work. And of course it comes with this little brush. So you have your spoolie side and then the angled brush side, so that's nice. You know, great little travel brush. And last but not least, we have our Morphe palette. And this is the Morphe, well, I thought they had the name on it, so let's go back to the box. This is the Morphe 15D Day Slayer palette. So 15 shades for daytime to playtime. Crazy creamy, powerfully pigmented, beyond blendable, matte shimmer eyeshadows will make your day and possibly night, sorry. So this is the 15 color palette. Now, when I was looking at the colors that they were showing on online, well, on Instagram, I think this is the palette that I was interested in. It looks more peachy, however, and right now it's looking a little more orangey to me. But this is kind of like your typical Morphe palette, with the kind of browny, taupey browns that they have, and then your real natural colors. So, I mean, these are colors that I'll use. Of course, it's becoming springtime, and so I am more interested in, like, brighter colors. So I would like to see maybe in our next couple Boxy Charms that we get, you know, some brighter colors. But, you know, this is Morphe palette. I do like Morphe palettes. I have a lot of Morphe palettes. But I will say that it is kind of typical of most Morphe palettes. So most of these colors I probably already have in some of my Morphe palettes. But this is nice because it is smaller. So okay guys, so last product, I forgot about this, are the Moda Powder and Soft Glow brushes. So, excellent for wet and dry product, waterproof, metallic handles, sturdy aluminum ferrule, secures bristles, and professional quality fibers. So these are the Moda brushes. So, looks like a powder brush and a highlighter brush. these are the brushes. So there's the metallic handles. And then, so this is a powder brush. Okay. Nice and soft bristles. But I guess every new brush has soft bristles, huh? So that's the powder brush. And then this is the highlighter brush. I haven't really used a highlighter brush like this, but I have been interested in trying one like this. So this will be nice to see, you know, how this works. So that is the last products in this BoxyCharm. Oh,